Hi there, myself Vidya. I am mother of Vedant who is studying in nursery A. Today I really wanted to talk about this literacy kit that the school has introduced for the nursery students. One thing is that it is really required in the time of pandemic such as this, because me as a parent I am really clueless about what to do, how to make this education very enjoyable and at the same time educational, right? So this kit really helps me doing that, and personally for me it has replaced my son's screen time with educational games time. So he really likes making this clay dough thing, like he really likes playing with the dough, but at the same time it has become educational just because he's making letters out of it. He's learning how to write letters and framing them. At the same time, the pictures on this literacy kits are like very much related to real life, so he can make those connections and can use his imaginations, and he can bring out like lot of educational stuff out of that. So like I really found this kit very helpful. And at the same time, when the teacher is taking the online classes, this becomes very interactive for her and for us also, like what she's trying to convey. So it makes as a parent and as a teacher and as a student, it's working all together in the whole way. It's helping us a lot. So I really want to thank the school for bringing such kits. Thank you.